Good morning, all my peeps. How are you today? I hope all of you are good and blessed and had a wonderful Christmas. That is amazing. Blessings came your way, that you were happy, most of all, that your families were happy and stable. And I hope that you were able to find something to celebrate, something to really celebrate within your hearts and each other. That was the main point there, is just all the hugs and the love and the laughter. Today I would like to celebrate life. Today is my birthday. I'm 56 today. I'm 56 years young today. I'll throw that in just for effort there. And I just want to celebrate with you all uh, a birthday, a gift of life, of opening our eyes for another year, for another day. I am so grateful for that. Some have not made it this far. So I am very grateful and very attuned to another day here on earth. I believe I'll attract blessings and all kinds of good things today. We're in a magical time right now. And I just am going to celebrate and do what makes me happy and have a little fun. But yeah, when my birthday comes around, I am very, very grateful to still be here. Many people have gone on and are now in spirit form and have left earth and gone to heaven in my life. And I just call it a great miracle to still be here. And I thank God for it. With that, I say God bless you to everybody. The angels love you. Jesus loves you. I love you. I hope you have an amazing day and that you're still in magical mode. Blessings all around you. The law of attraction works all the time, so keep sowing good seeds and bringing in magical moments to be grateful for. And remember, be grateful that you woke up this morning and opened your eyes. Those are two gifts from God right there to be grateful for. You're still alive, you're still kicking, you're still going. You still can make a difference in the world. With that, please like, share, and subscribe, and God bless you all. I love you. Bye for now.